In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Sony Dream Machine if it's not producing sound and help you troubleshoot speaker, volume, and audio issues. First, check the volume level on your Dream Machine. Make sure it's turned up and not muted. Sometimes the simplest fix is adjusting the volume using the buttons on the device. Next, verify that the alarm or radio isn't set to mute or very low volume. Test different audio sources like the radio, alarm tones, or CD if your model supports them. If you use an external speaker or headphones, check the connection. Make sure cables are firmly plugged in and not damaged. Try restarting your Dream Machine by unplugging it from power for about 1 minute, then plugging it back in. This can clear minor software glitches causing sound issues. If the speaker still doesn't work, check for physical damage. A broken speaker or loose internal connection may need professional repair. Sometimes dust or dirt can block speaker openings. Gently clean the speaker area with a soft brush or cloth, avoiding moisture. If your Dream Machine has a reset button, try a factory reset to restore default settings. Remember, this will erase any saved alarms or preferences. If none of these steps fix the sound problem, contact Sony support or a repair service for help. Following these tips should get your Dream Machine's audio working again. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.